Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi. You're watching Yemi Remedy TV. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this yummy looking vegetable stir fries. Yes, so here are my ingredients. I have here colored pepper, which is red pepper and yellow pepper, and also I have my shredded carrot. Why do I shred the carrot? Because I feel like carrot doesn't digest easily when I eat it. That's why I like shredded carrots. So the next thing is green beans, frozen green beans, and also I have one chicken breast. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive straight into the video. It's so easy. It's so easy to make. So in a pan, I'm going to cut my onion, a big onion, as you guys see. Why am I cutting my onion like this? I'm supposed to chop it on a cutting board or chopping board, but I prefer cutting it like this because to avoid crying. Yes, that's why I will firstly put my pan on the fire and then start slicing my onions just to avoid crying. So the next thing, I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil into the onion and just stir it together a little bit, and then I'm going to introduce my colored pepper in there. This recipe is so easy because I'm trying to lose weight. I want to change my lifestyle entirely, and that is why I really don't love vegetables before, but right now, because I want to change my life, I have to. So the next thing I do is to add my frozen beans in there. So that's the reason why, because I want to lose that weight and keep it, maintaining it. Yes, the next thing I do, I added the black pepper in there, and after that I added salt. Salt is good just to make it tasty. You understand what I mean? Yes, yeah, because it's going to make your veggies so tasty. Give it a try, guys. You won't regret. You will just like to have this vegetables stir fries or vegetable thing. Then I'm going to add ginger just to spice it up as well. This ginger make it, and it take it to another level, to be honest with you guys. So because I don't like vegetables and I'm just trying to make it in a way that I will love it. So right now I am loving vegetables. It's so easy, so fast to make, to be honest with you. It is really so fast. I'm like, why am I disturbing myself on eating rice and all that stuff? Yes, now I'm adding my chicken. Some people prefer to make chicken first, then they will now make their stir fries, but for me, I don't. I think it will be a lot of oil like that, so that's why I make it this way, and it tastes so great, guys. It tastes so great. So as I am saying, then I added a little bit of water on there. We all know how much the vegetables are so good for our health, our body, and everything. We all know, so I don't have to say, yeah, the vegetable is meant for this, the vegetable is meant for that. It's so healthy, as we all see. So I'm just stepping forward, and I added my carrots. I'm sorry that I'm saying so I added my carrots because I've already shredded it. It's a shredded one, so it's not going to take time. Taste my chicken, it tastes so good, guys. I don't know, guys, I'm adding more salt because it's not that the salt is not enough. Yeah. So Ramadan Kareem to all Muslim brothers and sisters all over the world, to watching me. Thank you so much, and thank you for clicking. So I'm going to cover the vegetables right now. My vegetable, oh my goodness, the vegetable is done. You see, just give it a taste. Like, this tastes heaven, guys. So I'm just liking the new system that I am trying to adapt to by eating vegetables and trying to eat healthy as much as possible. Now that Ramadan is coming, is around the corner. Tomorrow is Ramadan. When you'll be seeing this video, it will be on Yom Ramadan. So you see, guys, I'm taking a step forward. I'm serving it with hot water because I really want to change this lifestyle. I really want to lose this weight. Enjoy this meal. So guys, I've quit rice. Yes, I've quit rice. I don't want to eat rice anymore. All this jollof rice and fried rice mean I go sit down for one place. You understand? So look at the time I'm having my dinner. 6 minutes after 5. So this is just so easy, trying to change my life, and I'll be documenting it here. So if anyone are interested or you want us to do this together, let's join each other and do this. Let's motivate each other together. So that was what I was saying here, and trying to show you guys what saves the time. I really enjoy my meal, and I'll be giving you back to back my recipe in Ramadan and how I will be eating. And guys, I will not go on scale again because scale doesn't give me that motivation that I want. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.